If x follows p of lambda, find the characteristic function of x and hence find its mean and variance. Random variable x follows p of lambda. X follows p of lambda means the random variable x follows Poisson distribution. We have the probability mass function formula. The Poisson distribution of a random variable x is p of x is equal to small x is equals to e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial, where x running from 0, 1, 2 and so on infinity. We have to find characteristic function of x. What is the characteristic function formula of a random variable is or pi of t is equals to e of e power itx. It's expected value of e power itx. Of the form expected value of x means e of x. What is e of x formula? Expected value of a random variable x is, if x is equals to summation x into p of x. Here x value is e power itx into p of x because of the formula e of x. Now substitute p of x value, this p of x value here running from 0 to infinity. That's why summation x is equal to 0 to infinity e power itx, p of x value e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. Minus lambda to outside of the summation, e power minus lambda summation power itx into lambda power x comes from 0 to infinity. E power minus lambda can be written as summation x is equal to 0 to infinity lambda e power it whole power x by x factorial. And this summation e power minus lambda of, put x is equal to 0, that is the first term of the summation, lambda e power it whole power 0 by 0 factorial, plus if x is equals to 1, lambda e power it whole power 1 by 1 factorial, plus and so on. This is of the form x power 0 by 0 factorial plus x power 1 by 1 factorial plus and so on. X power 0 by 0 factorial plus x power 1 by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus and so on. Infinite series is equals to e power x. Summation can be written as e power x form. Here e power minus lambda, e power, here x is lambda e power it. Here bases are equal. Now we add exponents. E power lambda e power it minus lambda. Common lambda from these two. Here e power it minus 1 only. This is the function of a random variable x. If x follows Poisson distribution. Okay. Now we have to find mean and variance. Mean of a random variable x means first moment. This can be obtained d by dt of pi x of t at t equals to 0 minus I substitute pi x of t here, d by dt of e power lambda into e power it minus 1 at t equals to 0. Derivative of e power lambda e power it minus 1 with respect to t, which d by dx of derivative of e power ax is a e power ax. Lambda e power it minus 1 into d by dt of lambda e power it minus 1 equals to 0 is equals to minus I of lambda into e power it minus 1. So derivative of this value I into e power it, because here I is constant, so e power ax form a into e power ax. The derivative of one value is 0. Now write 0 in place of t here. Minus I of e power lambda into e power I into 0 e power 0 minus 1 into lambda into I e power it means e power I into 0 e power 0 into 1 e power 0 value is 1, so e power lambda minus into lambda into I, because there I into I value is minus I square, e power lambda minus lambda e power 0 into lambda. So I square value is minus 1 minus I square value is plus 1 lambda, that is equal to lambda. This is mean value of Poisson distribution by using characteristic function.